Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to see about the zero gravity chair. So this is highlighting product nowadays in the social media and the furniture shops. So I bought this product for my personal use. So the price of this product will be around 3000 to 7000. So the price difference is due to the material. So if you buy for 3000, in a sense you will get a transparent sheet here instead of this material here. And if you buy for 4000, in a sense this kind of cushioning you will be getting here. Or else if you buy for 7000 rupees, in a sense you will have a bed like cushioning here. So that is the difference for this price variation. So other than that, all other things are same only. And the highlighting part of this chair is like you can use it like a recliner. So literally we can say this is a affordable price recliner. So even though it seems like a recliner, it have three advantages than of the real recliner. So in real recliner it will be more of space occupying product, whereas this will be easy for you to use and fold it like this. So it won't occupy much of your space in the living room or bedroom or wherever it is. Also it is affordable in price, so you can see it will be available within 3000 to 7000 only. So real recliner will be costing around 12000 to 40000. So that is another advantage of this product. And third one will be easy to carry. So it's very lightweighted product only, so you can carry wherever you wish to take this along with you, like a picnic spot or even balcony or within the rooms, wherever you wish to move this chair. So in that way it has three advantages, like one will be space saving, and another one will be affordable in price, and another one will be easy to carry product. And the carrying capacity is that every manufacturer or seller of this product is saying like literally can carry up to 100 kgs. So I literally weight around 67 kilos. So let's see how it will be comfortable for me to use. So you can see it is, so it's much comfortable for me. And here a lock system is provided, so if you use it, in a sense it will lock the movement, so you can relax it comfortably. And if you want to get down from this chair, in a sense, if you can release this lock and you can transfer your weight. By this you can easily get down from this chair. And disadvantages also there are two disadvantages as per my view. So one will be this gap. So you can see here there is some gap, and here this is hard material, whether it is a plastic or a steel. Anyhow, your this part of the leg will be having in contact with that material. So if your legs were in contact with that material for long time, in a sense there will be some pain can be felt here. So that will be one of the disadvantage. And another one will be the hand rest. So this part has been provided in a matte finish in a art pattern, so it will be felt very hard for our skin. So that is also another disadvantage. So the solution for these two is like you can put some soft cloth on the armrest. Also you can use a soft cloth here in this hard material, or else a chair a little bit taller than this height, so that you can rest your legs on that. By this these issues can be fixed. End of the day it's a good product only with only these two small issues. Other than that it's a comfortable product to use. It will be more relaxing for you if you like use this chair. In a sense it will give some relaxations for your back especially. So you can also buy this and have a try. And I bought this product from a shop called V Traders, who are located in Erode. So their contact number has been attached along in the description, so you can call them and you can buy one. Or else if you are comfortable with the online purchase only, in a sense I have provided that link also, so you can click that link and you can buy this product.